Let me show you how to quickly migrate from XCart. Begin by clicking Connect New Services to initiate the setup. Select XCart Migration from the options available. Confirm the selection by clicking on XCart. Enter your website URL in the provided field Next. Input your admin access token for XCart here. The token can be found in your XCart admin panel. We just need token with read access. Ensure you've chosen the limited option for a sample import. First, we import a sample of products. Once we confirm that everything is working correctly, we return here, select Sync All, and initiate the full synchronization. Proceed by clicking Auto Connect to XCart to start synchronization. Select XCart Bridge from the list to explore its features. Test the connection to ensure everything is set correctly. Go back to verify the new syncing status. Observe the product's synchronization progress. Now let's view the imported products. Here we can see the list of imported products. As you can observe, the images haven't been imported yet. It may take some time for the images to be processed. Check the Products Management for a detailed overview. Next, go to Products to manage your listings. Here we can see the list of all products. Importing images may take some time. View the import queue by clicking on Images. Here is the queue of images. Everything looks good and you've done a great job. Happy selling!